Hey guys, this is Mike and Lori with Hamburg Honey. We're in the middle of a blizzard that started last night, and we've gotten so much snow, our dogs can't go out their doggy door to go to the bathroom, so we've had to shovel them a little path. We're still expecting to get 12 more inches of snow, 12 to 16 or 18 inches of snow yet tonight. The blizzard's really about to happen, the bad part, where we get the high winds, 47-mile-an-hour wind gusts and higher. We're supposed to get. We have our bee stuff out there where that's our cleaning station. We can't do nothing. It was spring, we were gonna start, and all of a sudden winter came again. It's not done with us. Look at our poor vehicles. I mean, our poor dogs can't even go to the bathroom. Hey Sophie, hey Nugget, you can go potty? Is that snow pretty deep? Yeah, you want to go back inside? Look how deep the snow is, guys. Goes up to my thighs. I mean, literally, this is insane. Trying to walk in it. So, we're gonna add on to this video tomorrow after it's hit. We're bracing because those winds are gonna be so overwhelming tonight. I'm so worried about the bees. We're gonna have to be cleaning snow off the front of the hives because I'm sure they'll be sealed shut. You beekeepers, if you're in this storm in the Midwest right now, make sure you check your beehives and clear the fronts so they have an opening to get in and out. We'll continue this tomorrow, guys.
Hey guys, well, we've had quite a weekend this weekend. I think Friday we had like 8 inches of snow. Saturday we had close to 20, and Sunday we had another 8 to 10. So we've had 30 to 40 inches this weekend. Now I get to clean it out. Lori's gonna help me shovel. We have the whole driveway to do. The bees, the snow is up to the hives. We keep the hives about 20 inches off the ground, and the snow is up over the entrances. So we're gonna head out there, make sure their entrances are clear. They did finally plow the roads last night, so we can actually go somewhere if we need to. But this should be fun. A good 6 hours of back-breaking shoveling to do. So, yeah, I know.
Well, it looks like our tires are halfway up.
He's going down the road on the snowmobile.
Is he really? Getting around in snowmobiles. Ours are at Mike's mom's right now. We can't ride our snowmobiles. But our tires, snow is up to the tires. Look at this poor car. There's got to be, how much weight you think is on the car, Mike? All that snow.
I would say at least 600 pounds.
600 pounds, a truck too. Look at that. Even the mirror has its own little snowdrift. That's awesome. What you call a load of snow on the back of the truck. Now the driveway doesn't look that deep. With the winds we had, it probably blew off most of the driveway, but at the end of the driveway, when they plowed a 3 or 4 foot high pile of snow at the end. So that's gonna suck. It is a deep walk out to these beehives. Snow's so deep. It's deep in spots. Some spots it's up above my hips. And I'm a pretty tall girl. I'm 5'8". And these are the hives with their mounds of snow. And these are up on top of big bricks, like Mike said, 20 inches high. And the snow goes up. Listen to me, I'm already out of breath. Mike, we gotta turn the electric fence off.
Why?
Well, I don't want to get zapped. You may want to get zapped. I don't want to get zapped. Look how deep the snow is. We need snowshoes for this, not snow boots. Then we can walk on top of the snow instead of... Ooh! Yeah, I don't want to get zapped. One time I got zapped by the fence and it felt like someone punched me in the face. You can see how their warmth right here, it actually is like a vent underneath. You can see there's heat coming out of here. Man, look how deep the snow is. Actually, it's not that bad in front of them. They made their own way. Look at that.
Blows it around it.
Look at that. We're gonna check each and every hive and make sure there's room for them to get out. Yeah, they're not snowed up, but look, you could see where the snow blew around it. And you know what? These harsh winter conditions, guys, aren't gonna stop with this blizzard. It's supposed to be sub-zero temperatures in the morning. We're gonna be freezing our butts off tomorrow now. And then guess what? Friday we're gonna be back up to 50 degrees. That's Wisconsin for you. You can get all 4 seasons in a week, right, Mike? I'll see, Mike had to clear the snow there. They had snow right up in their entrances. You want these entrances to be clear. Looks like that we have a wind guard here. It blocked these entrances from getting, you know, clogged up, except this one on the end. Oh man. All these poor hives. Look at that. Even we had a lot of cattails in the pond, and there the wind took them out in the snow. That is a lot of snow. Late March, not January. It's supposed to be spring this week. First day of spring is this week, and we get a blizzard. It looks like all these entrances are not blocked over here. That's what the wind did, so it did our job for us. But again, you can see how warm these hives stay too when you can see vents underneath them.
Yeah, that 14 inches of snow, that adds a lot of insulation to the hive, so
yeah, but it's
good to just leave on there.
It's okay to have that weight on there, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not hurting the bees to have that weight on there.
No, that's no different than having a super on each hive.
Yeah. So we're gonna keep shoveling. We'll keep documenting today as we go, and talk to you later. Yeah, and when you're shoveling snow, you want to have some good smoking hot earbuds and some good old 80s music, and that would be 1980s music for you people from the 21st century. Oh yeah, it's gonna be fun. Hey guys, Mike bought me a brand new shovel. I love it. If you're lucky, you might get to hear Mike sing. He likes to sing with his earbuds in. Come on, Mike, sing us a tune. Throw your AC/DC on and sing us a tune, Mike. Hey, Mike! You missed a spot.
What?
You missed a spot.
You missed a spot.
Okay guys, this is what we did. We got tire lanes made that our truck can get over at least. That is pretty deep snow. Some spots it's not because it drifted. You know, the wind blew it, so it gets deeper and it gets shallower. And when the plow truck plowed the road, it plowed it right into our end of our driveway. We never would have made it out. Took us a little longer at the end, but this is what happens when you get a blizzard. And a heck of a lot of snow. Those are, you know, those are up to above my hips, my waistline, piles of snow. Ditches are full of snow. If you walked out there, you'd sink up to your chest probably. But that's our blizzard we got. And now we can get out tomorrow when we have to go to work. So for those of you in the Midwest that got this nice March blizzard, I hope you get out. And for those of you with bees, I hope you get your bees taken care of. And we're ready for spring. No more snow, no more shoveling. I'm going to get some hot cocoa with some grog. Okay, we got everything shoveled, Mike. This was an awesome blizzard.
Took about 2 hours to shovel everything.
2 hours to shovel everything.
I beat.
Me too. My elbow hurts. So I was gonna ask Mike, I was like, so how was shoveling for you today?
Oh, it really does it for me.
So I'd like to know, all you people in the Midwest, especially beekeepers, make a comment on the video and let us know how much snow you got where you're at. You have to shovel everything, and it's a lot, and to get to work every day we have to do this, so it was just shocking to get this kind of storm this time of year. So just let us know how much snow you got, and we're gonna go inside and have some cocoa and grog. Go. Grog. Hot cocoa and grog after shoveling all of this, guys.